Hey everyone, Josh here with your Safety Center update. So we are officially in 2026, and I want to start this year by talking about something that matters more than anything else we're going to do. We're going to get back to the basics. Our safety scores have put us in intervention status. You know that, I know that, and here's the reality. We're not going to fix that with some complicated new program or expensive technology. We're going to fix that by getting back to the basics, the fundamentals, and doing things correctly. And the good news is there is a ton of low-hanging fruit that we can grab right now to start making immediate improvements. I'm talking about the small things that take 5 minutes but can be the difference between a clean inspection and a violation that hurts everyone. Let me give you some examples. Things like your lights, headlights, marker lights, turn signals. Walk around your truck and actually look at them. If there's a lens cracked, get it fixed. If a bulb is out, replace it. Make the effort to replace it. Don't roll out of the yard hoping that nobody will notice because it's daytime. Because at a scale, day or night, they will notice. And that is a violation. Wiper blades. Wiper blades, if they're streaky or falling apart, swap them out. We've got extras in the shop. Same thing with the windshield washer fluid. Top it off. There's a reason that these supplies are sold at every single truck stop, so let's utilize them. Are we checking our tires? Low pressure is not just a violation, it's a safety issue, and it kills our fuel economy. Mirrors. Let's make sure they are clean and adjusted right. I see trucks out on the road that are so covered in road grime that you can't see anything. And then there's stuff that seems small but shows up on inspections. Things like mud flaps, license plate lights, reflective tape, fire extinguishers, warning triangles in good shape. These are all easy checks that takes minutes, but they add up fast if an inspector is going through your truck. Last thing I want to touch on is parking. Again, plan your day before you start driving. Use Trucker Path, use Trucker Tools, whatever app works for you, and there are many out there. Know where you're going to stop before you need to. Reserve spots if you need to. And if you somehow end up in a true emergency situation, park on an on-ramp. Never on an off-ramp. The speed delta for on-ramps is only about 15 to 25 miles an hour, while off-ramps we're looking at speed deltas closer to 50 miles an hour. But honestly, if you're planning properly, you should never be in a situation to begin with. Look, none of this is rocket science, it's basics. But basics win games. And if we take care of the small stuff, if we do our pre-trips right, if we plan ahead and execute on these fundamentals, the scores will take care of themselves. So let's start the year off right, on a good foot, and let's get to work. Thank you for all that you do. Stay safe, and I'll see you out there.